In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in an Excel worksheet using Power Automate Desktop. Whether you're automating tasks or trying to streamline your data organization, sorting your data efficiently is key. We will break down this process into simple steps to ensure clarity and ease. Let's begin by launching Excel. For this, you'll need to use the Action menu and select the Launch Excel function. It's essential to set the application mode to Open the following document, which allows you to work specifically with the file you need. Now, you'll specify the full path of your Excel file. This ensures that Power Automate knows exactly which file to access, so make sure the path is accurate. Also, you must create a variable, let's call it Excel instance, to store the Excel application instance. This variable will serve as a reference for Excel operations you'll perform down the line. Once Excel is up and running with your specified document, you need to set the active worksheet. This is where we identify which sheet in your Excel file we're focusing on. You'll use the Excel instance variable you previously created and specify the exact name of the worksheet you want to sort. If it's named Sheet 1, then call it that to avoid any mix-ups. Getting this right ensures that any sorting actions take place in the correct location, without any unwanted changes to other data. Next, it's time to sort the cells in your Excel worksheet. This step is crucial because it allows you to organize your data according to your needs. Use the Excel instance variable once again and decide where the sorting should take place. You can either sort the entire active sheet, which affects all the data within it, or focus on a specific table by its name or a defined range of cells. Should you select range, specify it clearly, something like A1C10, to make sure Power Automate sorts precisely the cells you intend it to. Define your sorting criteria by specifying the column to sort by, whether you want the order to be ascending or descending, and set first row is header to true if your first row contains headers. This attention to detail ensures the sorting accounts for any headlines and doesn't misplace your column titles. Finally, saving and closing Excel wraps up your task. Use the Save Excel action with the Excel instance variable, indicating whether to save the current file or to save it anew if you prefer. To close Excel, still using the Excel instance, decide if you want to save any changes before exiting. This is a best practice step, ensuring you don't lose any important modifications you may have made during the process. And there you have it, a straightforward way to sort data in Excel using Power Automate Desktop that's both efficient and easy to follow. By the end of this video, you should feel confident in automating your data sorting tasks with these tools.